In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust size on Squarespace. Whether you're refining your website's layout or tweaking specific elements to fit your design vision, knowing how to resize content blocks on Squarespace is a must-have skill. This process is simple and flexible, giving you the freedom to adjust images, text, buttons, and more to suit your needs. If you're new to Squarespace or just looking for a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's get started. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and explore all the great features it offers. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you've linked your Squarespace account to Google, you can use the Continue with Google option for a quicker and more seamless login experience. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Squarespace dashboard. From there, navigate to your website by clicking on the direct link to your site. This will take you straight to your site's main page, saving you the hassle of searching for it manually. Next, click the Edit button on your site's main page to enable customization options. This will unlock the tools you need to make changes to your site's layout and design. Now, take a moment to identify the block you want to resize. Blocks are the building blocks of your Squarespace site and can include a variety of elements like images, text, buttons, or even other types of content. Knowing which block you want to adjust is key to making precise changes. Once you've found the block, click on it. When you do, you'll typically see a border appear around the block. This is a visual cue that the block is selected and ready for editing. If you don't see the border right away, don't worry, just make sure the block is clicked and active. Now, locate the Edit button or menu specific to the block you've selected. Depending on the type of block and its location, this option might appear as an icon or a small drop-down menu. Keep an eye out for it and don't hesitate to explore the available options if it isn't immediately visible. Once you've accessed the block's edit menu, you're ready to adjust its size. You have a few options here. You can resize the block manually by dragging its edges or corners, which offers a quick and intuitive way to make adjustments. Alternatively, for more precision, you can use slider controls or input fields within the block settings to specify exact dimensions. This method is ideal if you have specific size requirements or want to maintain uniformity across your site. After making your adjustments, don't forget to click the Save button. This is usually located at the top or bottom of the Edit panel. Saving ensures that your changes are applied and visible to anyone who visits your site. Skipping this step could result in losing your progress, so make sure you save before moving on. And that's it. You've now successfully adjusted the size of a block on your Squarespace site. With these tools, you can customize your layout to better suit your content and design goals. So now you know exactly how to resize blocks on Squarespace to create a polished and professional website. If you have any questions or want to share your own design tips, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.